Hello and welcome to Quick Solution. Today I'm going to show you how you can upload music to Spotify on Android. So the first thing you have to do is open the Spotify app, and after that in the top right corner just hit this icon with the gear, and this is our settings page. And if you scroll down in this settings page, you will see an option that is called local files. And right here we have this option, show audio files from this device, add tracks from this device into your library. And you have to make sure that this option is toggled on right here. So when you toggle on this option, this button will turn green. And after you do that, you have to go to your library. And in the library section, we have this option here, local files. And right here you have all your local audio files and all the songs that you have in your phone, and now you can just play them and listen to them in the Spotify application. So this is all for today. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.